Oh. 30 spinniä jäi. Let's go. Eihän tästä tuu eihän se valitse noita kierroksia edes. Miten tää toimii? Mikä tuo on? What? Jääkö nuo nyt tohon? Jos tää on kerran Doghouse 2, niin nuo jää tohon, eikä niin? Yes! Haloo! Haloo! Come on! Come on! Come on! Hyi saatana! No tossa ei oo mitään ihan hirveen hyvää linjaa vissiin, mut... Mikä tää on? Plus 4 lisää! What? On muija, haloo! Pam! Nice! Lisää! Mikä on paras kuvio? Onko tuo hyvä? No on hyvä! On hyvä! Lisää, kiitos! Joo, joo! Paina, paina, paina! $250. Heitähän joku vaildi sinne väliin vielä. 300. Come on, joo! Pam! Vittu, vielä yksi! Vielä yksi, come on! Ot 1000. Eiku 500 siis? Onko 500? No on se 500! Yes! Kyllä! On! On se!
Okay, guys. Oh, fuck! The Scarab is same as bonus, no bonus at all usually. Three is the absolute maximum for those. 4 doesn't even exist. Unfortunately. Oh yes! And a re-trigger. What the fuck? Six of them would be pretty nice. But the 4 is already a miracle, so let's not ask more. No. Yes. What the fuck is happening with this game? 120x already and we got 15 spins to go. Hello YouTube! What the fuck is happening with this symbol? 170x. Yeah, I've never seen these symbols paying. Now they disappeared from the rails. Just a casual. $284.25x.
See, on the Insta race. Insta race. As soon as we start wagering, which is unfortunate, but I'll take a boost. Please. Please. Okay. That's the first diamond. That's the second diamond. That is a lot of diamonds. Dead or Alive 2? Yes, Dead or Alive 2 as well. Come on now. Please. Okay. That's pretty decent. Potential. Yeah, it's paying a little bit so far. Come on. How much is that? That's 2 lines of 4 sevens. Holy shit. Okay. Alright. We have something. We have something. How was 4 sevens 500 euros? That is insane. That is insane. Yeah. Come on. Oh, that's 4 sevens again, right? Yeah. Okay. How many spins left? Because now we've got 2 full wild reels right in the start. It's a 10 euro bet. Yeah, I know it's a 10 euro bet, but that's still for 4 sevens. That is a lot. Yeah, this is really good so far. And we've got a diamond at the end here now. Okay, how many spins? Oh, this is last spin. You said you can get a random retrigger. If we get a retrigger now, does it keep the wilds? No, it doesn't. Okay, well, we don't need them. We don't need them. Because finally, it's coins.